Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another exciting video for you. What is lead generation? Is your business struggling to find leads? How can lead generation strategies help your business grow? If you have been pondering over these questions, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will tell you 7 lead generation strategies that'll help your business grow and get more engagements. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to start increasing your sales with live streaming today, click the link below to start for free. Let's get started. What is lead generation? A lead is just someone who has shown some interest in your company. Anyone who has provided you with their contact information, for example, to attend a webinar, get a free guide, or sign up for your newsletter, is a lead. This customer is now inside your sales funnel since they visited your company's website and gave you permission to contact them. Lead generation. The process of filling your sales funnel with people who are interested in your business is known as lead generation or lead gen. A lead generation approach is anything that gets someone to give you permission to contact them or remarket to them. Making a must-read newsletter that encourages interested prospects to engage and remain in touch with your brand is another method to use content as a lead magnet. This allows you to stay top of mind with consumers while also sharing product and service offerings that can move prospects farther down the purchase funnel. The following items can be included in the newsletter. New blog entries. Information regarding your products or services will be sent to you on a regular basis. Offers that are unique. For example, Marie Forleo, a business coach and influencer, generates leads via her MF Insider email list. Because of the newsletter's perceived exclusivity and value, prospects sign up quickly. Now that you're with the basic terminologies, let's look at the top 7 lead generation strategies for your startup. Number 7. Create gated content. Online content that's only accessible once a user fills out a form is known as gated content. The content is sealed, unlike regular blog entries or landing pages. To access the content, visitors must first fill out a lead capture form. This lead generation technique works because it provides free value to the audience while attracting high-quality leads who are interested in themes relating to your brand or offers. Webinars, free reports, and live demonstrations. Don't limit yourself to 1 or 2 opt-ins. Make each blog post an opt-in page. You may distribute recipes, blog posts, PDFs, worksheets, resource guides, and more. Remove the opt-in box from the sidebar and replace it with a pop-up. Users are forced to make a selection. Is this something you desire or not? It's easier to say no when the option is right there in the sidebar, and ignoring it is just as easy. In tests, this resulted in a 32% boost in conversion. You can't force people to say yes, but you don't have to make it difficult for them to say no. Number 6. Always be testing, but test the right way. It's fantastic to have solid advice, but it's risky to assume that just because it worked for someone else, it'll work for you as well. That isn't to say you shouldn't listen to good advice, but it does imply you should test, and do it well. Split test even if you don't think you need to. The results of your audience may appear paradoxical at times, but this is why testing is so important. You might imagine that using my or your in this test would have minimal impact. Urgency, concreteness, visuals, and other factors should all be evaluated. Your headline, button wording, and background image should all be split tested. The results might surprise you, but you'll be making better, more informed optimizations. Number 5. Make landing pages clear and easy to take action on. Why does this work so well? It doesn't ask the user to process as much data as a 3-minute video or a full page of prose would. It outperforms a free report since many individuals are already overwhelmed with information and don't want to download anything else to read. Because of the growth of launches and a lack of time, video lead magnets have recently developed a bad reputation. This landing page was a standout performer for these reasons. It also helps that individuals have a genuine want to know what tools other people use, and this satisfies that need. Anyone, dentists, plumbers, architects, and so on, can do it. This form of lead generation landing page can be created in under half an hour and is well worth testing. Number 4. Write better ads. If you're the one doing the searching, there's no incentive to pick one over the other besides price. This is what we refer to as an advertiser's AdWords jackpot. When everything appears to be the same, there's a huge opportunity to stand out and outperform the competition. Writing stronger ads can enhance your quality score by increasing your CTR over the predicted average. Learn how to write killer advertising and how they may help you save money per click in this article. Going unicorn hunting, the secrets behind ads with a 3 times higher click-through rate. To stand out, your ad headline should reflect the visitor's ultimate purpose, similar to the bridge after bridge copywriting formula. People click on ads because they believe they will help them solve their problem, not because they believe the ad contains all of the relevant keywords. Consider what the user on the other end wants to achieve and how your headline can assist in meeting that goal before creating an ad. Number 3. Give better offers. There's a lot of potential for conversion rate improvement unless you're one of the top advertisers. In fact, the top 10% of landing pages have conversion rates that are 3 to 5 times higher than the average. How do they manage to do it? One innovative approach is to provide better offers. This is significantly more significant than standard optimizations such as adjusting button color, font type, spacing, and so on. A free trial is offered from every software business. A complimentary consultation is provided by every plastic surgeon. What do you have to give the visitor that is distinctive, intriguing, and valuable? If your conversion rate is less than 2%, you should do something dramatic such as drastically modifying your offer. Small improvements will provide small results. The top 25% of marketers have an average conversion rate of 5.31%, and the top 10% have conversion rates of almost 11%. You have a lot of room for development. Number 2. Go nuts with remarketing. Remarketing allows you to track site visitors and retarget them while they browse the web, check their email, watch YouTube videos, search Google, and even hang out on Facebook. It assists in converting abandoners into leads, which is significant given that 97% of visitors will depart your landing page without converting. By repositioning you in front of your audience again, remarketing increases the influence of all of your other startup marketing initiatives, content marketing, social media marketing, and so on. In the United States, remarketing with the Google Display Network gives you 92% reach across millions of websites, videos, and devices. Remarketing ad awareness is about half as high as typical ad tiredness, so be aggressive. Number 1. Use Gmail ads to target competitors' customers. You may reach 1.2 billion monthly active Gmail users as of 2018 who read their emails several times a day using Google's smart targeting capabilities. You may track reach, open rate, click-through rate, or CTR, saves, forwards, and other metrics at the same cost as your typical AdWords CPC. In their inbox, your targeted clients will get a teaser of your ad. They can also see an enlarged version of your ad by clicking on the teaser. Here's another way to get a lot of leads at the expense of your competition. Gmail ads are effective methods for reaching out to your target demographic. No audience is more valuable to a SaaS firm than its competitors' customers. You may utilize Gmail ads to limit your AdWords campaign to people who receive emails from your competitors, providing you direct access to people who already use similar products. This can be achieved in a variety of ways. One strategy is to concentrate on terms that your competitors are likely to use. Sign up for your competitors' email lists and take note of any words or phrases they use frequently, then add them to your keyword list as target keywords. Targeting your competitors' domains is a more accurate solution. You can reach the same audience with Gmail ads as you would with a search engine marketing campaign for a fraction of the cost. If you want to develop quickly, you'll need to prioritize your lead generation methods and employ tactics like the ones listed above to bring in as many qualified leads as possible, and you can start generating more leads with our recommended resource below for as low as $1 for 2 weeks. These are some of the best lead generation methods that you could implement for your startup businesses. If you know any more lead generation strategies that work for your business, then let us know in the comments. That brings us to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, then drop a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.